Want to know who ruled the plant world before flowering plants? Meet the Pteridophytes, the first vascular plants on land. Let's crack them in just 2 minutes. They have true roots, stems, and leaves, found in damp, shady places like forests. Key fact: they are called vascular cryptogams because they don't produce flowers or seeds but have vascular tissues. Gametophyte, haploid N, called prothallus, is tiny and needs water for fertilization. Water is still essential for fertilization, why they're tied to moist habitats. Pteridophytes include Lycopodium, club mosses, Selaginella, spike moss, Equisetum, horsetail, pteris, and Dryopteris, true ferns. Quick recap. First, vascular land plants. Dominant Sporophyte, tiny Gametophyte, found in damp places. Comment NEET if you want more 2-minute crash courses. Like, share, and subscribe for NEET biohacks.